Today we are looking at how to convert a ratio into a fraction, and then from our fraction, converting a fraction to a decimal. The first thing we need to consider before beginning is whether or not we have a part-to-part ratio or a part-to-whole ratio. An example of a part-to-part ratio might be you have, in a classroom, you have 30 boys and you have 20 girls, which would mean a total of 50. If you are dealing with a part-to-part ratio, you need to add the two parts of the ratio together to get your total. On the other hand, if you are using a part-to-whole ratio, which is the primary thing we look at in grade 7 math, it would instead be there are 30 boys out of a class of 50, or you have 20 girls out of a class of 50. In both of these cases, the ratios allow us to determine the total. If we know the total, we can then solve our fraction. So in the example I provided, if you're looking at what is the fraction of boys in the class, if you're doing a part-whole ratio, it would be 30 boys out of a total of 50 students. If you're doing a part-to-part ratio, then you would be looking at first determining the ratio by adding the 30 plus the 20, and then you'll have a denominator of 50, and then selecting the appropriate ratio number, in this case the boys. Alternatively, you could also be looking at the ratio of girls, in which case it would be 20 over 50. Now that we've looked at how to convert a ratio into a fraction, I would now like to talk about how to convert a fraction to a decimal. To convert a fraction to a decimal, we take the numerator and we divide it by the denominator, the top number divided by the bottom number. This means the numerator, the top number, will go inside of the house, and the denominator will go to the side. And you can perform long division. Or, on a calculator, you would push 30 divided by 50 equals 0.6. Thank you.